Okay, so good day, grade 4. So our lesson for today is all about comparing and ordering decimal. Wherein, we will focus muna sa comparing decimal. So the same lang din sila when comparing a whole numbers or by a numbers. So gumagamit tayo dito ng greater than, less than, and the equal to. So to compare decimal numbers, we need to do certain steps. So I will show it. So for example, we have here the given. So to compare this, ang first step natin is arrange it into vertical. So mas madali siyang i-compare if i-vertical natin siya. So why? Okay, since na-arrange ko na siya into vertical, I will compare it. So first, titingin ako sa leftmost digit or left side corner ng ating mga digit. Okay, so as you notice that the same lang din sila. So which is number 9. So therefore, pupunta tayo sa next digit wherein dito sa place value ng tenths sa decimals. So 0 and 1, so therefore mas malaki itong si 1 or mas greater than. So therefore, gamit tayo ng less than. So 9 and 1 hundredths is less than by 9 and 10 hundredths. So yun lang to compare. So titingnan lang yung left side muna. Okay. So another example. What if I have here naman 1 and 9 tenths compared by 0 and 29 hundredths. So commonly nalilito tayo because here is tenths and this is hundredths. But if we compare these decimals, so i-arrange ko siya by vertical. So therefore, if you notice, sa left side tayo nag-i-start wherein yung number 1 is higher or higher number. So therefore, dito yung ating sign which is greater than. So 1 and 9 tenths is greater than 0 and 29 hundredths. Okay, so let's have another example. So what if I have here 89 and 01 compared by 89 and yan. Okay, so first we will arrange it into vertical. So mas madali if i-vertical natin siya. So make sure that the place value is naka-align and the same with the decimal point. So yan. Okay. So if you notice that these numbers are all the same, so therefore dito na tayo magko-compare sa side na to wherein sa 0. And therefore since blanco rin naman ito, so therefore we have here imaginary 0. So meaning the answer here is equal. So yon. So ganun lang kasimple comparing decimals. Okay, so let's proceed in ordering decimal. So ordering decimal naman tayo wherein i-arrange natin either from least to greatest or from greatest to least. So for example, so meron tayo ditong given decimal numbers wherein the question here is we need to arrange the decimal numbers from least to greatest. So to arrange the decimal numbers, so first, mas maganda if we will rewrite it into vertical. So, i-rewrite ko lang muna itong mga decimal numbers into vertical. So, mas madaling mag-compare and then i-arrange natin siya, or let's say we will order them from their from least to greatest. So 38 and 102 thousandths, we have here 38 and 0 200ths, and then 38 and 21 hundredths. Okay, so now The same with the comparing, or kapag magko-compare tayo, titingnan natin yung left side nung numbers. So therefore, 38 ito lahat. So pare-parehas. Dito na tayo magfo-focus sa next digit or next number. So since from least to greatest, so starting sa pinakamababa, so the answer will be, okay, so we have here 0, 1, and 2. So ito yung mauuna, the 38 and 2 hundredths. So since from least to greatest. So if I arrange it, so ito yung mauuna. And then followed by 38 and 102,000. 102,000. And the last one is 38 and 21 hundredths. So, therefore, na-arrange ko siya from least to greatest. So, yon. Okay, so let's have another example. So, arrange the decimal numbers from greatest to least. So, greatest to least naman meaning simula sa pinakamalaki pupunta sa pinaka maliit. So, therefore, first, i-arrange lang natin or rearrange the decimal numbers pa vertical. So, 197 and 813 thousandths. And then, 198 and 831 thousandths. And 195 and 831 thousandths. Okay, so first, titingnan natin yung left side ng numbers. Then since 19 or yung 19 is the same lang lahat, so therefore dito tayo magfo-focus. So since greatest to least, titingnan natin dito yung pinaka malaking digit, wherein number 8. So the answer here, we have here 198, then 831 thousandths. So followed by number 7. So i-rewrite lang natin. And then the last one is yung 195 and 831 thousandths. So yon, ordering decimal numbers.